Now with all the washing machine videos done at Hoover Lux, I'm going to be focusing on a vacuum cleaner or two. Let's have a look what this one's about. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. So here we have a glorious Hoover Constellation model 858003 in a lovely orange colour. These are around in the 1960s, I believe. This one's actually an American made one. Famous for being the floating vacuum, which has no wheels or rollers, it just floats on a cushion of air. Much like a UFO, kind of like the shape of it, really. I've always wanted to use one of these. Unfortunately, when I find them, they're either broken or very expensive if they're working. So it'd be nice to try one out. I thought I'd give the American one a go rather than the normal British one, but might have a look at an upright after this as well. So it's got a nice little connect. I love the way the hose connects on this. So literally just a little pull tab like that. Hoover Constellation. Something like that. Very lightweight as well. I didn't actually realise how much lighter these were. Normally I expect vintage vacuums to end up being heavy. It's got a lovely white hose to it as well. I could not find the actual attachment. Dorian does have one, so yes, Dorian says this is probably going to go when you see that I'm using a standard pneumatic hose on floor wand at the end, but it's just for demonstration purposes only, and I do hope to acquire one of these. So we're going to test it on some carpet and even on hard floor as well. Oh, I'm looking forward to hearing this. You can hear a SIVO going downstairs. Okay. Oh, that sounds nice. Wow, that's close. On the carpet mirror. Talk about how easy it is to move. Wow. That's pretty good. Smooth. It's really quiet. I didn't actually think it would be that quiet. Really easy. Look up here. Not even scaring the cat either. Very nice and smooth. And extending a bit. Nice little suction control on it as well, see here. Satisfying though. I like the hose it uses as well. It's very feels a lot more flexible than other vacuums I've used. Yeah, it glides so easily. It's amazing they don't make those kind of vacuums today. Do one more pull test. I'll pull it from over here. Okay. Look at that. coats nicely. Really enjoyable, that. A bit more with it, and then have a little look. Amazing. That is one really nice vacuum, that is. I'd like to find one either pink or blue if I could, but any Hoover Constellation would be really nice for me. So yeah, it's nice to play with the vacuum. I might get, see if there's an upright I can play with a bit. But no, it's nice to use one. It's a lot easier to move than ones on wheels. As being a person that has a lot of pneumatic vacuums in my collection and vacs, I know the struggle of the swivel casters or the solid wheels at the back. This just glides wherever you want it to go. It's got a nice, I really like the sort of like buffer. I like the buffer that it's got around the side. So if it hits your walls or anything, it's not going to really cause a problem. Clips out so easily. You've got a latch at the back for getting in there, you know, opening up. And it opens like that, even that bit stays on. I like the idea of that still being there. Looks like a part of the ring or something around it. It collects all the dirt there as well. It's bloody amazing. A little bit warm, but it smells really good. Been kept in very good shape though. And that's it. Just simply pop that there. It's back to solid. And even it's got a plastic handle, but it feels really solid. Hoover quality though, made in USA. This one is under the Hoover license. So I don't know. This may have at the time been running on 60 Hz. I don't know if it's been converted to run on 50 Hz probably for this one. Yeah, very UFO. It's a constellation like stars. Yeah, nice design. And if you really bring this idea back, it'd be they did Maytag ones over in the is it USA? Did they do? And I think don't know if Australia had that or did Australia have Hoover. Either way. Brilliant. Might do another vacuum video in a bit. Thank you to Dorian for letting me use this and play with it. I do like my vacuum cleaners. Not much of an expert like he is or others. And the laundry centre having a go as well. Don't know if it's got the original attachment to it.
Yeah, I agree. It does grip the carpet well.
It does. I thought these were really heavy vacuums. They're not.
Long Doris has got to push this.
Yeah.
So, doesn't float too well, does it?
Probably on hard floors would be better.
Yeah, maybe.
Or softer carpet.
Let's try it on the floor.
Yeah, let's go for it. See what happens. A bit better on there.
A bit better. A bit disappointing. It's not too bad, is it?
Do you wonder, it's American, would it have run a bit higher over there?
Maybe actually.
60 Hz, isn't it?
Yeah. Unless he's put a UK motor in it. It's powerful enough though, isn't it?
That's the job.
Cool.
I like that shutdown sound of it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.